Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a Book Now button to your Instagram profile. This makes it easier for customers to schedule appointments or services. This feature is perfect for businesses looking to increase bookings and improve customer convenience. On your Instagram dashboard, make sure you have an Instagram business account. If you do not have a business account, you will not be able to access this feature directly, but we will show you an example of how to add it. On your profile, to add the Book Now button, click Edit Profile. Once you're here, you will see the Edit Profile screen. In this section, you can find the action buttons. Click on that. After clicking, you will be taken to the Action Button section. Here, click Book Now. Select Book Now and choose the app you want to connect to your Instagram. After choosing the app, log into your account or confirm the partner. The Book Now button will then appear on your Instagram profile. That is how we add a Book Now button to an Instagram profile. With this feature, it is easier to turn visitors into customers.